Hey Trey.
Hey Adam.
Great to see you.
Good to be here.
Trey Carson with Tops. I think one of the things that's been really exciting for me with our partnership and with our growth is that everybody knows the Tops name. You guys have been around for quite a while, and you have so many companies that use you. Specright is newer, but it feels like now most people are knowing the Specright name, and so having us together is pretty exciting. I guess just tell me a little bit about the history of Tops and how your journey came with them.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've been in business for over 30 years. I think it's about 35 now. And so, like you mentioned, we've got a lot of customers out there from every generation, it seems like. And so it's great just coming to shows like this and having this new exciting partnership with Specright to leverage this kind of new technology, especially with the movement towards cloud. It's something new for us as well, but this synergy we're getting from Specright and the name out there has been really, really great. As far as me, I've been with Tops now for 7 years. I do the partnerships and sales mostly, but it's been a wild ride in just the last 2 or 3 years with all the change that's been going on.
Nice. 7 years is a good number. That's how long I've been at Specright as well. And you mentioned kind of moving to the cloud, and one of the things that's exciting is now integrating with the web app and the cloud-based version of Tops. I guess tell me a little bit about kind of the evolution of the cloud product with Tops.
Yeah, so about 2.5 years ago, we went to production with what we call the web app version of Tops. And the advantage for our customers is that it's just so much easier to deploy. They've got distributed workforces all around the world, and they really wanted to bring in their licensing to a single entity. Because beforehand, it was a lot of on-prem, a couple licenses over here, some over there, and it was really kind of disjointed. But this cloud opportunity has allowed us to really centralize it, make it easier for them to get on the same version. Simple things like that make a big difference. But just controlling that in one place, and then also having this data shared amongst different groups is really helpful.
Nice. Well, I was showing the integration between Specright and Tops to a CPG company the other day, that hopefully will become a customer and use integration soon. And he started laughing at the end of it because he's like, this would save our team so much time because all the data that's going to be in Specright is what's fueling Tops. And so I think the synergy is huge, and time savings, efficiency, optimization is so critical these days, because teams are lean and everything going on with the economy, it's important. I guess, have you guys seen any trends recently at Tops that's kind of driving your business recently?
Yeah, absolutely. A big one is this movement to the cloud, like we've already talked about. But this idea of getting data organized and accurate is really, really important, and that's why I think it's such a benefit to have this partnership going on, is that people aren't double keying. People hate to double key, and having this integration takes that away, and that eliminates room for error and allows everything just to be cohesive and in one place.
Awesome. I love it. Well, we need to get more companies on both Specright and Tops because it does work so well. It was great seeing you, Trey.
Absolutely.
Appreciate
Thanks for
the
having
time.
me.